Welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my preferred choice when it comes to domain registrars and registering domain names. But before we start, what exactly is a domain name? Let's go to Google and then let's type it, and it says, what is a domain name? But the best explanation we can get from here, it says a domain name refers to your web address. Now, this is what the users type in a browser search bar to directly access your website. Conventionally, web addresses are made up of IP addresses, like they are made up of numbers, and it's not going to be something that is very easy remembering web IP addresses. And as such, most of them are converted to words, whereby you can now remember, and then you will be able to remember each domain name. It's just a replica of a typical physical address of any business or any. Basically, what happens is the fact that once you want to access a website and then you type in the unique name, which is the domain name of that particular website, it connects with the system of what we call the DNS, which is the domain name server, and that connects it directly to the IP address of the particular website. If you are a website creator or a website builder who is planning to do so on budget, this particular website is essentially very good. They give you enough, very best of service, just as we're going to be seeing now. If you do not have an account with them right now, so all you have to do is just to click on the link, it bring you to this register page where you can definitely create an account, and then all you have to do is just to supply your personal information, which consists of your first name, your last name, and then the email address and your phone number. And most of these things are essential for KYC reasons. Also, you have to just fill some account security as your password, then you complete the captcha, agree to the terms of service, and then you click register. A mail will be sent which you need to confirm in order to be fully registered and authorized to use this service. I already have an account with this website, so I'm going to log in and then I will see you on the inside. So right before me here is my own login page. This is what your login page is going to exactly look like. You log in with your email address and with your password into your, what I call your client area. All right, so once you are on the back end of your client area, you have all your information such as your address and then all the service which you have registered for. Just like we have actually discussed initially, there are two basic things that are involved when you want to register a website. On one side, which is your domain, and then on the other side, which is your hosting. Your domain is just a replica of your address that points or that directs your visitors straight and connects it with the files which are the hosting, which are present on your hosting. All right, and on the other side, you basically have your hosting, which is the server on which your website files are stored. All right, so I'll take that once again. We have the domain on one side, which is the address of your website, and also we have your hosting, which is the server on which all your website files are stored. And it's a company like SmartWeb which provides you with this tool. If once you log in like this and then you come to this domain tab, once you click on the domain tab, it shows you my domains. Now this bar shows you all the domains which you have previously registered on this website. You could manage your DNS, you could renew your domains, or you could register a new domain. So I'll click on this register a new domain. All right, so this is going to take you to a search bar where you are able to register different types of domains. There are a lot of domain extensions that you could register. You have the .com. They are basically divided into different types. We have the top level domains which are the TLDs. Now the TLDs are the .coms, net, and then then we have the country code top level domains. These are country specific domains such as the .com.us, .com.ng, and a host of others. Those ones are country code top level domain. Depending on the one that you want to register, this allows you to register a top level domain and then the country code top level domain. Let's say I want to register a particular domain, so I have to perform what we call a domain search using this search bar. I'll put in my preferred name. Let's say I want my blog to talk about farming or agriculture in general, so I could just choose something like green agro. I might definitely put in my preferred domain extension, or I might just leave it at just green agro. Let me use this. So I'll perform a domain search. So I'll click on this search bar. So it's going to look for the domain extensions that are available in this name. So it tells me that if you look at this, greenagro.com is not available. greenagro.ng is available. So if you want to register this, you could just add it to carts. That is just on one side. We'll come to the other side, which is the services. Now, if I click on this, it's going to show me my registered services. So if we go to other new services, it's going to show us the different hosting packages that are available on SmartWeb. They are extremely affordable and the uptime is up to like 99%, at least in what I have used. We have the standard package, we have the starter package, we have the business, we have the premium, and then we have the corporate. All of them are different prices. The standard package, which is 800 Naira monthly, offers you 10 GB web space and 60 GB monthly. You have the smaller one, which is the standard package. I think this should be the smallest, but it has a limited web space, gigabyte of web space, and then 15 GB monthly. The best thing about this platform, that you could start a starter or the standard package and then upgrade as the traffic that comes to your website as it increases. You could then upgrade to any of the premium, the business, or the corporate package. For instance, now let's say you want to start on the starter package, or you want to start on, let's say, the standard package. You just click on order now. So they're going to tell you to choose a domain. I had chosen Green Agro. I'll choose my domain extension, which is .com.ng. I'm going to run a check once again, just like we have. Just click on continue. It's going to place an order for my hosting, and then I'm going to change my billing cycle. You could choose monthly, you could choose semi-annually, and choose annually or biannually. All right, choose monthly. All right, so it brings down the cost, and then you click on continue. So it says please review your domain name selection and any add-on that are available for them. So my domain name is greenagro.com.ng. registration period 1 year. For the domain name, I can continue. Okay, so it says review and check out. Web hosting package is a standard package, and also the domain registration is 1,100. It brings everything, including with my VAT, it brings it to 2,042. This is a total of what I'm going to pay. These are some of the payment portals which you can use. You have the Flutterwave. You can use your virtual card on Flutterwave. You can use Paystack. You can use bank deposit. You are going to click on I have read and agree to the terms, and then you're going to complete your order. So once you click on complete your order, it's just going to generate a receipt for you by which you can make your payment through any of these payment processes. In the next video, I'm going to choose my hosting package I have bought and I will have paid for a domain name and a hosting package, and then we'll go on to start installing or building our website. So if you are interested in this, I'll appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that anytime I drop the videos in this playlist, you will definitely be notified. All right, so thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.